trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games.
Yo, good morning, everybody. How's it going? Good morning. Let's get on into it here. Turn on some of this music. Oh, yeah. I got the BDH shirt on. Let me see. Let me see here. Look at this. I got the BBC Big Boner candle. BDH shirt. Looking good, ain't it? Alrighty. Yo, what's up? We got Stacking Bananas, Joe Balazzi, good morning. Bowser. Stefan, good morning. Hexa, what's going on? That green name looking good with the money bag. Corey, appreciate it, man. Thank you. Alrighty, let's get in here, man. I just woke my eyes up, got a little coffee, and now I'm on the stream. That fast, man. Tired, man. Fifth Day Aviator, what's going on? Sis, I saw you last night on somebody's stream. Pine Trees, I think, Sis. Yes, sir. How's it going? Prop Pal, what's up? I don't know, Sis. That's what I'm looking at right here. I'm looking right here. You got chopped up all morning on gold? Let's take a look at gold here. I know last night Dakota from Top Step was getting all kind of chopped up, man. I was laughing, man. He would get in and it would take him out and then go right back, and he'd get in again, take him out. Yeah, I like trading gold, but I like to just focus on one pair. I think I'm just gonna focus on the NASDAQ. Oh man, Sis, you were close to passing 3 accounts. Well, first thing that pops out at me is this inversion we've got. This inversion we got right here. Oh, I don't have my line set up on here. I don't have my line set up on Project X here. Whatever, I'll set them up later. I'll set them up later. But for right now, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Some good gold movement in London. Nice, dude. Nice. Let me see. We got looks like we got a nice trend line going down here, dude. Looks like we got a nice little downward trend line we about to break out of. Broke out of it. Let me see this. Put this right here. Think I'm gonna be looking for a long gear. Broke out of this trend line. Any kind of pullback here, I'm gonna be looking for a long, I think. I think so. We got a 15-minute. We got all kind of inversions going on here. 15, 30-minute inversion. All kind of inversions. Looks like we're gonna be going up. It's neat. Oh man. We broke out of it there. I should have got in there. Stacking bananas is short crude. Yes, is. Just stick to the simple strategies, man. Mark out your support and resistance. Support and resistance, some trend lines, and fair value gaps. That's all you need. You really don't even need that much. All you need is one of those three, and you'll be good. Support and resistance, trend line breakouts, or fair value gaps, and you're good, buddy. I'm waiting on a little pullback here, dude. Little pullback. I'm gonna maybe get in long. Are we in any kind of range here? Yeah, we're bouncing right at the bottom of this range again. Oh man, this thing is pumping. Trader 007, what's up? Nathan Lopez, what's up? We're missing it, man. We're missing it. Pissed. I'm pissed off, man. God. Missing the move here. It's pumping. It's pumping, but it's fine, dude. We're up 1,000 across 3 accounts here, dude. 1,000. 1,000 across 3 accounts. So I'm just gonna try to make about 500 more. 500. No, Scudgy, no issues. The only issue I had was because I used a VPN. But other than that, when I emailed them and told them it was a VPN, and I sent them a little screenshot. I sent them a screenshot of my VPN that they just told me not to use it again, and I immediately got paid after that. But no issues so far from TopOne. They're actually, I think, the easiest firm to get a big payout with right now. If if you're gonna pick up an account, use code SLADE. They got a sick deal, man. I wish I would have got in on the deal. It's no daily loss limit right now. You get, if you get 40% off, anytime payouts, and no daily loss limits included. God, dude, this is making me so mad here. Wish I was in. Yes, it is 20%. But I like the consistency rule because whenever I hit my profit target for the day, I just lock it up and I can go about my day. You know, I don't stay on the charts trading all day like I would if there was no consistency rule. Payout policies of TopOne. I know about the 150K accounts. You got to reach $7,500 in profit. And once you got to reach $7,500 in profit, and you got to have 20% consistency, and you can withdraw $3,500. So good payout rules, actually. Yeah, same, stacking bananas helps me out. What's up, Krish? What's up, Krish? No, Prop Pal, it's not TopOne Trader. That's their Forex one. You got to go to TopOne Futures. Go to TopOne Futures, and I'm doing the straight to funded accounts. I'm not worrying about no evals over here. I'm not worrying about no evals. It's pretty cheap for a straight to funded, actually. Sis, so you just divide your profit target by 5 or 6, and that's how much you want to make per day max. Divide your profit target by 5, divide it by 5, and then that's how much you want to make max per day. Come on, dude. Look at this. And I got to get off early today because I didn't take a shower before, so I got to take a shower before work. On the 150Ks, I try to make $1,000 to $1,500 a day. I was going to call it here. I'm at 1,000. But if something presents itself here, then I'll take another trade. But if we don't get a pullback, I'm not going to get in. That's just how it is. If it just goes, I'm probably not going to get in. Yeah, Howie, if we get a little pullback here, I could see myself getting in. If I could see something like this right here, I'd get in probably around here for the push up. Get in right here. Nathan, I'm just going to be trading one contract because I just need to make 500 more bucks here this morning. I don't even need to, but that's all I want to make this morning is $500. So I'll be trading one contract on the minis. One contract on the minis here. If we can get a little pullback. Look at this straight up move. Yam. Need some kind of pullback. Need a pullback here. What's up, Futch? You didn't miss much. Nothing. I mean, it's just going straight up here. I missed the longs. I'm waiting on a pullback to get in long. But this is what I'm thinking is happening right here. If you're wondering why I'm looking for a long, let me show you. Let me show you exactly why. See, I think we were in this little range, right? We're in this range. And then we broke below it. Fake out to drive higher. This is what I'm thinking is going to happen here. Prop Pal, I'm dealing with 20% consistency. Straight to funded, they make the consistency a little bit lower. They make the consistency a little bit lower. Yes, sir, Devin. It's in the bank, buddy. It's in the bank. It's in the bank. I done moved that over to my high yield savings account. I'm moving it over to the money market. We're getting like 4% per year just by letting it sit in the money market. 4%, I ain't got to worry about which way the market's going. It's a free 4%. Oh yeah, Howie. I like take profit too, man. I just hate the evals, dude. You gotta trade them for 5 days. But they're nice. I loved it. I had 2 accounts, dude. It was, oh man, those daily payouts make you feel special. Yes, sir, Devin. What's going on? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, guys. We got 71 people in here. Let's hit this like button so this analysis can play out here. Hit the like button so we can get this analysis to play out. Hit that like button. We'll get this analysis to play out. Yeah, that's a good spot here. May not make it down that far though. Let me see here. Yeah, I look at all the minutes here. I see what looks the best, you know. I just look at what looks the cleanest. It's a lot of the times it's the 5 minute because it's, you know, there's not as much noise as the 1 minute here. A lot of noise here. It's hard to really get a good analysis. 5 minute, you can see things a lot more clear, and it's still a pretty quick trade usually. Bang on the 50% fib. Let's see. The fib's probably going to be messed up here. because this is on Project X. Yep. Oh, it's backwards. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's backwards. I don't know. Whatever. I'm waiting on this right here. I don't really know how to use the fib too much, but I've been looking at it. Oh, dang, sis. You blew an account. It happens, brother. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Everybody blows them. Little pullback under this area, looking good. We just got to think here. Price may want to go lower. It's got a strong downtrend. Is it going to be something like this right here? Does price want to go lower? That's what I'm wondering, Hexa. Does price want to go lower? It's going to form some structure here in a minute, and then we'll get a clearer picture, because it's going to form something. It's going to form some kind of structure here, and then I'm going to take a breakout. Yes, sir, Devin. Yes, sir. We're just sitting here waiting for the action to happen here. Hit that like button so we can catch a win today. Let's catch a win, baby. Yeah, Hicks, I'm waiting. I'm kind of just waiting on some structure to form, because after a nice straight up move like this, you don't really want to get long up here. So just kind of gonna wait on something to form. Yes, Dustin, you don't have to flip with Take Profit Trader. You can flip on the eval. It only needs a 50%. It only needs 50% consistency on the eval. So if you trade it 2 days and get to the profit target, and you're in that 50%, then you can flip the next 3 days. Nice, Dustin. Nice, buddy. Very, very nice. I wish I'd done that. I wish I had some Take Profit Trader accounts right now. I wish I had some Take Profit Trader accounts. Come on, price, do something. I guess we might take a look at gold over here. Gold's in this range right here. Gold's in his range. Just waiting. Yeah, Futch, it's not looking too good, is it? Gold's not looking too good. Well, I guess since we're waiting here, I can fix these lines on Project X. Hope you guys don't mind. Waiting on a pullback here. I'm just going to write these out here, but we're waiting on a pullback. Waiting on a pullback here. Setting up these lines on Project X so I don't have to do it again. Yes, sir, Thomas. Yes, sir. We back at it. Maybe we set up the boxes here. Is it gonna pull back here? Come on, dude. Pull it back. Let us in a trade. All right, got it all made, I think, except for I put buys on the sell one. Come on, dump it down. Give us a pullback so we can get in long. Give us a pullback so we can get in long. See, it's making that structure right now. It's making this structure. Yo, thanks for the sub, Mr. Pictorial. Oh God, it's going without us here. And I forgot the break even. Oh, dude, it's going, man. It's freaking going. Ugh. Make me so mad. It's going to make me so mad here. Golly, dude. God, dude. This is what I was gonna wait on here. Little breakout. This is exactly what I was waiting on here. Range. Just gonna have some buys right here. Man, dude, it already hit that break-even spot, though. I don't know if it's still worth it here. Thinking here, boys. I'm thinking. Still like it. I just hope it doesn't have a big pullback coming. I'm gonna put a limit buy right there. If it comes back down, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in if it comes back down. Only problem is it just popped above there, man. Don't like that. Didn't break this wick here yet, though. Let's see, a lot of green candles in a row there. The 15-minute. All right. We're in. We're in here. Hope it goes. War, what's going on? Now I can read the chart here. Looks like it might have been a fake out here. War, we got 57 likes here, man. We gotta get these likes up here. We gotta get these likes up. I'm in too big here. Too big a size on this trade. One mini's too big here. Oh, God. Oh, God. Here comes the pullback. I knew it. It already hit that break-even stop there and shouldn't have entered. But I'm in now, you know. In now. I'm going to stay in. Let's go, Brian. Got 21 points. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, man, we got to get these likes up. We got 104 people in here and only 61 likes. That is unacceptable. That's why we're losing this trade right now. I'm going to tell you right now. That's why. That's exactly why. You start smashing that like button, we'll get a big old green boner candle. You smash that like button, we'll get a big old green boner candle coming up here. You smash it. You smash the like button. And I would really enjoy a big old green boner candle right now for the trade's sake right here. Need one. Oh, you must be smashing that like button. It's going up. You guys must be smashing that you guys must be smashing that like button like roast beef. That's what I'm talking about. Look at it. Look at that rejection. Keep smashing it. Keep smashing the like button. Oh no, we're slowing down here. Slowing down on the like button. We gotta smash it if you want this to turn into a big old green boner candle here. We gotta get to smashing that like button. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got 69 likes. That's what I'm talking about. Goal smashed right there. 69 likes, baby. Yes, sir. You know what that means. You know what that means. 69, baby. Yes, sir, Scuzzy. Devin. Come on, dude. Please. Go up. Please. Please go up. At least get to our break even up there. I don't like the way this looks on the 1 minute. I'm not gonna lie here. We got an inversion, and now we're retapping this old fair value gap here. It's not looking pretty. Maybe we can just destroy all these ICT traders here, and we'll get an IIFEG, an inverse IFVG right here. War, you don't go against me, buddy. I'm telling you, you don't want to do that. You don't want to fade me, War. You don't want to do it. Because listen, when I get in a trade and people battle me, I go to war, buddy. I go to war. I go to war. You don't want to fade me, buddy. I'm telling you that right now. War, we put the analysis out here just for you, okay? We drew out the analysis. I even made all of these nice pretty boxes and all these TP1s and full TPs just for you. Got the break-even stop right there, and you still want to fade us. I don't know why, dude. I don't know why you want to do that. Beats me, buddy. Beats me, okay? But tell you what, just since you're in a short, I'm going to go to break even right here. I'm going to break even early, guys. I'm going to put it $50 in profit right there. I'm already at break even. Okay? I don't want to see this come back down here now after it engulfed there. So I'm going to move this down. Break even right there. If it comes back down, I don't like it anyway. So I'm already at break even. Looks like we're about to get taken out break even here. Not going to worry about it. Howie got out. Don't get scared, Howie. Just move to break even and you're good. Then you ain't got to be scared. You're in a free trade, buddy. You move it to break even, you're in a free... Oh, well. We were in a free trade here. Can this hold? Can the ICT fair value gap hold right here? We got the ICT fair value gap. Can it hold? Come on, give us an ICT fair value gap hold right here. And pump it, baby. Pump it up. You dump down below that ICT fair value gap and we're getting smacked right out of this trade. I saw like 150. I was up like 150 right there. Can we get a smackaroony moon candle? I don't like we're getting close to here to this 8 o'clock hour either. You know, you get a lot of buffoonery around the hourly candles. You know, it's 7:53 right now. You get a lot of buffoonery coming around the hourly candle. So be very cautious here. I got my stop sitting right there, right at that fair value gap there. 60 micros. God dog, how many? 60 micros. How much commission are you paying, brother? How much commission is 60 micros? Okay, price action. I'm not going to tell you again here. Whenever I get in the trade, you need to just go straight to my target. Okay? We're not going to talk about it again. When I get in the trade, you go straight to my target. These guys all stop smashing the like button, I know, but it's okay. You're going to get up there one way or another. I'll blow you. No, that did not sound right. Pause. That did not sound right up there. But come on, give us a push here, man. I said pause, Hex. So that means you can't hear what I said. I didn't mean to say that. $10, you got that long, dude? Man, I'm mad. I was late to the party. God, I was so mad. I hopped on at 7:10, 7:20, and it was already pumping up here, dude. I got in at the top up here. I've already got a break-even stop in. But I don't know. It's made a big move up. Probably needs a pullback here soon, so I'm not risking it. I'm gonna keep that stop and $50 in profit right there. 10 caught the trading. He caught the longs, he said. If you don't know, you need to check out 10 Trading. Got some great content over there. Great content over there. He knows a lot. Very knowledgeable guy. Very knowledgeable guy over there. Hit that 3 candle reversal at the lows. Could be the low of the day. I'd like to see that. I'd like to see it pump up here. Be real nice if it could pump up for daddy, you know. Yeah, man, that is a like beautiful reversal right there. What time frame were you on? Were you on the 5-minute here? 5-minute looking sweet there. Look at that 5-minute inversion. Look at that 5-minute inversion, dude. Beautiful. That's just what you want to see too. Right down here, did it sweep any? Oh, it's perfect area too. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful trade. Come on, dude. Look at it. It's gonna come take us out, dude. God, why do you want to do this? Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to do this? You know you want to go up here. You just want to come take me out first before you drive it higher. You just want to take me out before you drive it on higher. Golly, TTBZ, what are you doing if you're up at this time of the morning and you're not on the charts? Please tell me, what are you doing at 6 o'clock in the morning? You must have been getting a lift in. You must have been getting a lift in. Had to be. TTBZ had to be getting a lift in. Yes, sir, 10. That 5-minute chart's clean, brother. I'm enjoying the 5-minute lately. You get all the information. You get all the information of the 1 minute without the noise. All the information without the noise. It just makes everything look cleaner here Can we get that drive higher now? Can we get that drive? Give us that drive. Our original break even would have been hit right there. If we kept the stop at the original break even, it just got hit. So no matter what, we would be at break even right now. No matter what. No matter what, we would be at break even. Oh, nice, 10. You got a payout from Phidias? Dude, I mean, everybody on Twitter says don't promote this prop firm that I'm using right now, but how can I not when I've been paid out big money from them, dude? I don't know. I don't know how I cannot promote them. I got paid out $10,000 for my first two accounts, and then I got another $3,500 payout, and now I just got a $7,000 payout, all within like 1 month. I don't know how I can't promote them, you know. No problems. They always pay out within an hour. The only small issue I had was on my last payout. It was my fault. I used a VPN. It said I was trading from like Germany or something. So they just emailed me, asked me what was up. They didn't decline the payout. They just said, yo, what's going on? Why are you trading in Germany? Are you in Germany? Stuff like that. And I emailed back. I said, no, sorry, I had my VPN on. And I sent him a screenshot of the VPN, and then my payout was approved in like 5 minutes after that. So it was no issue. But, oh gosh, come on, dude. Why do you want to do this? Get up so high, just come. You dirty dog. Oh, God. You dirty dog. Golly, man. We knew it was time for a pullback. We knew it was time for a pullback. Who are they? They are the team at TopOne, man. I don't know who they are. The team that manages the stuff over there. Break even. Made like 40 bucks. I made like 40 bucks right there, man. It's TopOne. I'm talking about TopOne. Yeah, it's not a problem, dude. I love it so far. I'm loving TopOne. Actually, they're the only firm I'm trading right now because I blew up all my other accounts the other day. I blew them up, dude. Man, I'm so pissed off, too. I was at a Bullnox payout. I could have requested, but I wanted to keep pushing to get to the max payout. And I was copy trading all the accounts. This is why you don't copy trade them. And I blew them up. Dude, I love Take Profit Trader 10 trading. Take Profit Trader. I just hate the evals, man. I hate any kind of evals. Yeah. Bullnox crazy sale for the evals. So if you're looking for a cheap eval, Bullnox like 16 bucks. And 16 bucks. It's about 16 bucks, but the activation fee is still like 150 or something. You can't on Bullnox. I think their max is like 7 minis, 6 or 7 minis. But you talking about Take Profit Trader? Take Profit Trader, there's like a 50% consistency, isn't it? You got to trade for 2 days at least, and then you got to flip for 3 days. Yeah, dude. See that? Look, man. Beautiful little. We got a beautiful break-even trade right there. Glad we stopped it out there at break-even, at least. Glad we stopped it out at break-even right there. Devin, you're going to love futures then, buddy. You're going to love futures. The prop firms are about a fraction of the price. You know, the prop firms are a fraction of the price. And what else? You have no what is it? You basically no spread on futures. You just get in, and if it moves up a tick or two, you're in profit already. You know, I used to trade like this, dude. I'd get in here on this 1 minute time frame. I'd get in here on the 1 minute time frame, and I'd enter a trade. As soon as it went a tick or two in a profit, I'd move my break even and just hope I caught a runner. You could, dude, that's a strategy in itself. I'm telling you. You wait on a little pullback here, you enter short, but we broke below. Enter short. As soon as it starts to go down, put your break even there and just hope you catch a runner. And boom, I used to trade like that, and it worked. Because most of the time you'd either hit break even or you'd catch a runner. Very rarely would you lose. Because when do you not get at least a couple ticks in profit? Look at this thing dumping down now, dude. Dumping down here. Oh, whoa. Dumping down. So Legion, you don't even have to buy instant funded right now. I wish I would have got the deal that's going on right now, because they're doing a deal. If you use my code, you get 40% off, and they include both of the things. So you get instant payouts, and you get the no daily loss limit, which is huge. No daily loss limit is huge, guys. And you can get a payout as soon as you reach 20% consistency. So after like 5 or 6 days, you can get a payout. Legion. After 5, it's really after 5, but you're not going to have perfect consistency after 5. So it's after 6 days you can get consistency. And it doesn't even have to be the full 6th day, because they update their dashboard updates immediately. So like right after your trade, after you reach 20% consistency, you can request a payout. And that's what I did yesterday or the day before. I hit a trade during Asian session, and I immediately requested a payout. So the money was in, you know, I got approved, and the money was there before the trading day was even over. You know, I like that too. You don't have to wait for the trading day to get over to request. You can request as soon as you get that 20%. Prop Pal, you're on the wrong website. You're on the wrong website there, buddy. You got to go to TopOne Futures. TopOne Futures right here. You got to go to TopOne Futures. Go to the Discord. Go to prop firms, and it's right here. I'll paste it in there. I'll paste it in the chat here. Oh, that's the wrong one. Hang on. That's the... Let me delete that one. That's not the right one. Sorry. It's not that one. It's this one. That's the one for TopOne Futures. They have a Forex one too, but look at this dump, dude. Holy cow. Holy cow. What a dump. What a dump here, man. See you later, Hexa Patty. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for stopping in and hanging out. I mean, we still had a good analysis here, even though we got a break-even trade. Analysis still playing out here. If it does want to go higher, you know, we drew it out earlier. If this price wants to go higher, I feel like if it wants to, it don't have to, but it could just dump. But if it wants to go, we might dump down here. get something like this right here, and then go higher. I know, Scudgy. I got to get ready for work. Just having too much fun on these charts with you guys, man. I'm just having too much fun to get ready. Having too much fun over here, man. Having too much. I'll get off at 8:15. 8:15, I'll get off. Yeah, dude. TopOne. Pretty good, dude. I mean, I don't know. And you know, there's other CEOs on Twitter getting pissed off at them, but they're just mad because they're competition, dude. They're doing the same exact thing that the other firms are doing. You got to get in on these firms early. I'm going to be the one to say it. I'm going to be the one to say it. I don't. Nobody else would tell you this. They're going to tell you wait. They're going to tell you wait till a firm is, you know, proved themselves. That's not true. You want to get in on these prop firms early, and you want to get the good deals. You know, when a prop firm is selling straight to funded accounts for $200, 150Ks, you take it and you make the payout, and you get the payout before they stop paying. That's it, man. These people make me so mad. Before people were even talking about TopOne, I was getting $10,000 payout with 2 accounts. Mark the Shark. I sound like Theo Von. That dude's the man, dude. Theo Von's the man. Cougars only fans, but yes, sir. Get a little Coug action. Get a little Coug action going on. Slay, could you do the stream, the Asia session one day? Yeah, man, I'll do Asia one day. I don't know. Sometimes Asia. Yeah, this may be the pullback here. Prop pal, I'm not exactly sure on the 50K. All I ever did was the 150Ks. So, I'm not sure. But dude, all you gotta do is make 2,500 to get to a payout. That's pretty sweet. Let's take a look here. Instant sim funded. I know on the 150K, the max you can request is 3,500. The max you can request is 3,500. 10 trading is looking for more longs at this level, Slade. Previous day low? Yeah, dude, I was thinking the same thing. Maybe like a drop below this level though, right here. Maybe like a little drop below. Maybe a slight, just a quick drop below these 2 wicks right here. And then a bounce back up. Quick drop below there. War on the 150K, you got to make 7,500. Nah, no micro scaling rules. It's this, you get 1 mini, 10 micros on the 25K. The 50K, you get 5 minis, 5 micros. 10 minis, 100, and then 15 minis on the 150K. And they're including anytime payouts and no daily loss limit either. It's included. Let's see. Is it just going to bounce right here at this support level? Not going to dump below there. I think it gets one more little spike down, if you ask me. That don't look like a bottom to me, but it could be. Could be. I mean, did get this wick down right here. But I feel like we get a little dump down one more. We'll see. Dang it, man. I wish I would have got up early to take a shower. Bowser, you can have 3 accounts. 3 accounts, that's what I got right now. I don't recommend doing what I'm doing, but I got 1 leader and 2 followers. So I'm copy trading them. Starting today, though, I'm going to take it off. I'm not going to copy trade these anymore. I was copy trading them because I had a lot more accounts. Now I've only got these accounts, so I'm going to take off the copy trader, so if I blow one, I don't blow them all. This one here should be getting close. Well, I don't know. I hit the daily loss limit twice in this one, so it's whoa. It's at like 40% consistency, I think. But this one right here has 159,000 in it right now. This one's up big. 159,000. Sis, you're gonna have to let us know when you're streaming Asia. Put it in the Discord. We'll all come in there and hang out with you. You're gonna have to put it in the Discord. All right, guys. I got to get off of here. I got to get ready for work. I woke up late today. Didn't get to get ready before. We got a little break-even trade right there. Wish it would have went up, but you can't win every day, you know. We at least we got a break even. We didn't get a loser. That's what matters. At least we got a break even right there and not a loser. So could have been worse, you know. Or at least I did. I don't know if anybody else took the trade, but at least I got a break even. I'll be back in the morning at 7 a.m. and I swear I'll get ready before so I can stay on till 9. But hope you guys have a good day. Let me know how you're doing down in the Discord, and I'll see ya. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by.